just a coupon girl. I mean, any coupon I can find, honey, I'm definitely gonna use it. Why not? I love coupons. Today is a nonchalant kind of day. I really don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what to cook. I made jerk chicken last night. I'm running low on groceries. And I'm really just not in the mood. I need to clean out my fridge. Get rid of all these old condiments. Actually, I think I'm going to do that right now. Yeah, all this stuff needs to go, especially this mayo. And I need to get some more of these shakes for my kids because they absolutely love them in the morning. Is that my washing machine? Yes, that's the washing machine. This was from my son's birthday. I believe it needs to go. Does it even have an expiration date? I have no idea. But I haven't baked another cake since. And of course, one of my kids did this. Strawberry wafers. That has to go. I don't like anything open in my fridge. I don't. Raisins. We love raisins, so that could stay. What else? Guys, if you don't know this trick by now, always leave an open box of baking soda in your fridge to keep it from smelling absolutely horrible. Can't say I didn't teach you nothing, okay? Keep your fridge smelling absolutely. Oh, I never opened this. It's expired. See? That's why you gotta clean out your fridge. What kind of veggies do I have going on here? Carrots, broccoli. That's it. Some beef hot dogs. Maybe I could make hot dogs. Oh yeah, I put them to thaw and I completely forgot about them. Tomatoes, these go in the drawer. I'm so picky about where stuff goes in my fridge. Like, it just has to stay organized. I can't do a mess. I just can't. This peanut almond butter can go right there. And this juice is supposed to be down here. And I think we're good for now until I go grocery shopping. Yeah, we'll organize that another day. I'm just gonna wipe this down a little bit though. No strong chemicals, just soap and water. Cause I don't like to go grocery shopping and my fridge is dirty. Nothing pisses me off more. And I know I sound ridiculous, but when you've been in the healthcare field like as many years as I have, you become a germaphobe. Like, let me just tell you, everything grosses you out. Everything grosses you out, okay? Get those crumbs back there and all those creases. And yeah, slide to the left, or is that the right? I don't even know. Like, you see these stuff that's always in the corner? Well, it's gone now. That's what I don't like seeing. I hate it. Hate is a strong word, but I absolutely hate it. And I hate open bottles of water in the fridge. Hate it. All right, that's done. Such a beautiful view. I'm so blessed. Anywho, guys, I've been trying my hand at planting, and I definitely think I'm getting the hang of it. If you remember, all of these were empty, and I think I'm doing good. This is my favorite flower. I don't know if you guys know, but try to guess below what you think it is. And these are just herbs. Okay, I believe this is some type of mint. I think it's a mint. This is peppers, scotch bonnet peppers. I don't know if they're under there. I'm gonna have to dig it up and see. And this is oregano, I believe. So I'm just trying my hand at it. You know, I want to be that gardening wife. Get into it. I love being outside. I love nature. And I absolutely love this. It's so therapeutic. It's a newfound hobby of mine. And once I get the hang of it, I'm going to try to do like some type of fruit or vegetable in this big one just to see like how good I am. You know, test the waters. So I'm going to make these turkey burgers for my kids really quick. I'm hungry, but I can do without, you know, I don't eat meat, so I need to go grocery shopping. So until I get a chance to do that, this is what it is. And I'm gonna make these hot dogs and call it a day. Yeah, just quick and simple. Thank God I don't got a man, girl, because what would I do? I would have to stock up on groceries more often and cook more often. The beauty of being single, okay? So I've been teaching my oldest son to do his laundry. He's over there. I don't know if you can see his shadow. And this boy broke his basket. Like, already. Broke his basket, and then he has the nerve to tell me that his basket is dirty. You see those marks? And I'm wondering, what in the world could you have been doing with this basket that is so dirty? Like, please comment down below and tell me what you think this kid was doing with this basket. Ugh, boys. Kimani.
Yeah.
So, aren't you gonna clean the basket?
Also, you need to be washed. So you clean.
Telling me to do it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's my basket or yours?
I don't want to do it, huh?
Learn. Guys, so I was about to defrost the burgers, and look at this microwave. This is ridiculous. So let's take care of this real quick. Hopefully I don't get burnt because I'm short. I'm really short. Oh my gosh. I can't reach the microwave, guys. I can't get... Am I really that short? Like, this is not okay. I didn't know I was that short. This is why I clean every week faithfully, every week, because this is gross, beyond gross. Oh, beyond gross. And I am not with it. I'm trying not to get burnt by this pot of hot dogs. Oh, my life. Where's a man when you need one? I like all my tippy toes. Okay, guys, while the burgers defrost, I got invited on a vacation, right? And I ordered some little, you know, I don't want to speak out loud because my babies are nearby. So I get this one though, and it's cute and all, but what am I going to do with this? Like, somebody please tell me. I don't think I'm gonna like it. Now this one is supposed to be like a lipstick one, and they have different colors. I wanted the blue because I feel like I have everything in red already, to be quite honest. But it's killing the vibe. Like, I'm over it. I just feel like I'm over all those things. And, you know, to go on a vacation, you gotta be prepared for anything. So, like, I started packing, and I'm trying to make the best of it, but I really don't know if I want to go, to be honest. I just don't know. Like, this is lingerie. This is to go in my bathing suit. Like, yeah, I don't know if I want to go. And I'm hiding in the bathroom because when my kids hear that I'm leaving, they get sad, and I don't want to hear the, "Mommy, where you going?" So really quickly, I opened this one, and it looks like a lipstick. And you just turn it this way for on and off. Apparently they didn't put any batteries in it. And, you know, do your thing. But I guess I'll just bring this one because it looks like makeup, so he'll have no idea. And yeah, the idea is to help enhance the, you know, I can't say too much. This one, on the other hand, it's just boring to me. Like, this part is cute, but this is boring. It's too obvious, and I don't want to insult him because, you know, a man bringing you on a vacation, he automatically thinks, like, you know, you're gonna have a good time. So if he finds it, it's gonna create a problem, and I don't need no problem. Anywho, we're making the burgers really quick. I'm gonna do it with these bagels right here, everything bagels. My kids are bougie, okay? Just get with it. Lettuce, tomato, little mayo, and boom, that's it. Okay.
I can't get rid of you. You really don't have a good side of the bed. I'm on a roll. You were so ugly that when your mom dropped you off at school, she got a fine for littering.
Yeah.
You're my favorite person besides every other person I've ever met. Want more of the truth?
Yes.
You're the kind of person people feel comfortable being around, as long as they're wearing protective clothing. Still feeling good about yourself? Say bring it, to hear more.
Yes.
Your search history is dirtier than the sewers.
That's facts.
Still feeling good about yourself? Say bring it, to hear more.
Bring it.
Your forehead is larger than your hopes and dreams. I'm on a roll. Say give me that.
So I just picked up the rental that he booked for our trip, or booked for me rather. And although I am a bit nervous, I'm still excited because I need a break. So I look forward to it. The kids are fed. I'm finished packing. And here's to a beautiful trip. I praise everything that I'll need and more. And even if it turns out not to be anything serious, I'm still grateful because, you know what, for a man to want to treat you nowadays, it says a lot, and he doesn't have to. So I'm appreciative.